This is our first meal in Laos, which has been served on a boat. We've got some local fish off the river Mekong. Sweet and sour chicken and bamboo shoots and other stuff. It's pouring with rain and we're about to enter a jungle. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is an experience.
I'm so great about this. I'm feeling good.
It is torrential downpour in the middle of Pak Bang.
Did everyone bring spare?
Delightful. I'm so glad I washed my hair.
I should just brave it and go. Yeah. You can stay on one side of the boat. Oh, you're getting followed, Nat. Keep moving. Well done. Thank you. Stop trying like that. You got it. We've now arrived at the Long Prabang Inn, which is where we'll be staying for the next 2 days. We are in our hotel room in Long Prabang. 2 double beds, 4 swans, and a lovely big bathroom. Oh, oh.
Oh yeah, that's the view.
That's lovely, isn't it? Hi. Not bad. Not bad at all.